Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going, man? Hey, listen, I came up with a brilliant idea when it comes to packing for travel, right? So, there are weight limits in most of these airlines, all of them, of course. So from 23, I've seen 23 kilograms. Sorry, I only know kilograms. Up to 32 sometimes. It just depends on the airline. Also, you carry on luggage, they can be like 7 kilos, something like that. Anyway, it doesn't matter with the actual weight limits. You'll find out when you get your ticket and you have a look online, right, with the airline you're going with. So what do? Let's pretend that this is my suitcase, okay? So go and get your scales. For example, I could use a bathroom scale, and you put your suitcase on there, empty, completely empty, and then you'll work out what it is completely empty. Say about 3-4 kilograms, or say like 5, what's that, 8 pounds or something. Okay, so then write that down. So your empty suitcase will be so whatever kilograms, okay? Then get yourself a little pair of scales, like this is a kitchen scale, or if it's heavier, then you'll have to go back to your bathroom scale. And what I want you to do is measure every single item that you want to take with you individually. So this one here, so I put it on the ground here, right? Okay, so that is 96 grams, right? So you get your book out, right? Get your list. Let's say you got a little list here, right? And write down, my suitcase is, let's say, 4 kilograms or pounds, whatever, right? I'm just going to use kilograms because I'm in Australia. All right, so at the top of the list, you can't do anything about it. The suitcase you want is, say, 4 kilograms. Then put in vitamins, for example, and 96 grams, okay? Then the next thing that you want, I want my microphones, okay, 100 grams. You know, like Rode microphone, 100 grams. Toothbrush, whatever. Or not toothbrush, get your whole container of your toiletries and toothbrush and all that, and then measure that, okay? You get the idea, right? Anything that you want to bring. So, sorry, I just bumped the camera. So say another vitamin or your pills or whatever. Let's say we'll measure that out. It's telling me low battery. And so that one is 130, so that goes on the list. So Welbet X Berberine, 130 grams. So why am I doing it that way? Because you have a lovely list of all the things that you want to take with you. Add them up. Put your clothes together, add them up as well. So then you've got this long list and you can add them all up. And let's say it comes to too much weight. Then you know exactly, okay, well, this thing weighs 100 grams, this thing weighs 2 kilograms, this thing's whatever. Well, I can live without this. I'll go and buy that overseas, right? And so you delete that. It's brilliant, brilliant. I know, thank me later, send me money, whatever. I take cash. I think that's a great idea. So then you can go through and you're not like stressed out, oh, what am I going to take, what am I not going to take? Just, you got the whole list there. Do the maths, add it up. If it comes to 23 kilos, you're right. If it's over, then you start taking things out. Okay, we know that that's 100 grams, etc. You know what I mean? Brilliant idea, I know. Thank me later, pay me later. I accept cash. All right, hope that helps. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Teach us out. God bless. Ciao.